Welcome to our science challenge. Let's start with physics. A projectile is thrown with a velocity of 20 meters per second at 30 degrees. Find the horizontal velocity. Think about the component formulas. Is the answer A, 10, B, and C, punto 3C, 20, or D, 15. Take a moment to pause and calculate the result using the initial parameters. Here is a hint. The horizontal velocity component is always calculated as u times the cosine of theta. The correct answer is 17.3 meters per second. That corresponds to option B. By calculating 20 times the cosine of 30, which is 0.866, we arrive at exactly 17.3. Moving to physics question 2. What is the standard SI unit used to measure work? Choose the correct unit from these options: Newton, joule, watt, or volt. Pause the video if you need more time to think about the relationship between work and units. Remember that work is essentially a form of energy transfer. The correct answer is the joule. That's option B in the SI system. Both work and energy share the same fundamental unit, the joule. Now for chemistry. Can you tell us the maximum number of electrons allowed in the K-shell of an atom? Use the 2 north squared rule to decide. Is it 2, 8, 18, or 32? Quickly think through the formula where n represents the shell number. For the K-shell, n equals 1. So 2 times 1 squared equals 2. The correct answer is 2. Option A, the K-shell is the first energy level, meaning n equals 1, allowing for a maximum of 2 electrons. Moving to the periodic table, which of the following elements is classified as an alkali metal? Is it sodium, chlorine, oxygen, or helium? Choose carefully. Think about the groups and periods in the table. Alkali metals are located in group 1 of the periodic table. The correct answer is sodium, or Na, which is option A. Sodium is a highly reactive metal belonging to group 1, making it a classic alkali metal. Let's switch to biology. What is considered the functional unit of the human nervous system? Is it the neuron, the brain, the spinal cord, or the axon? Take a moment to decide which part handles the basic transmission of signals. The basic building block is a specialized nerve cell called a neuron. The correct answer is the neuron. Option A, neurons are the fundamental cells that transmit nerve impulses throughout the entire body. Returning to physics, can you identify the SI unit for electric charge? Is it the ampere, the coulomb, the volt, or the ohmh? Pause and think about the definitions of these electrical units. The symbol for this unit is a capital letter C. The correct answer is the coulomb, option B. The coulomb is the standard SI unit used to quantify electric charge. Try this mechanics problem. An object travels 150 meters in 5 seconds. What is its speed? Is the speed 20, 25, 30, or 35 meters per second? Take a moment to calculate. Remember the relationship between distance and time. Use the basic formula where speed equals distance divided by time. The correct answer is 30 meters per second. Option C, simply divide 150 meters by 5 seconds to get a speed of 30. Back to chemistry. What type of chemical bond is found in common table salt or sodium chloride? Is it an ionic, covalent, metallic, or hydrogen bond? Think about how sodium and chlorine interact at an atomic level. This bond forms when an electron is completely transferred from one atom to another. The answer is an ionic bond, option A. Sodium loses an electron to become positive, while chlorine gains one to become negative, creating a strong attraction. Returning to biology, what is the primary carrier of genetic information in living organisms? Choose from protein, DNA, fat, or carbohydrate. Think about the blueprints that define every part of a cell. Genes, which dictate our traits, are made of this complex molecule. The correct answer is DNA, option B. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, stores and transmits hereditary information across generations. Final question for today. How many chambers are in a normal human heart? Is the number of chambers 2, 3, 4, or 5? Take a moment to recall the anatomy of the mammalian heart. Recall that it consists of 2 upper atria and 2 lower ventricles. The correct answer is 4, which is option C. The human heart is divided into 4 distinct chambers to efficiently pump oxygenated and deoxygenated blood.